Alright, so we are going to be coloring a cartoon, Cartoon Animals, the series. Lesson 1, Cartoon Dog. Very cute. I have done a few of these before, and you guys probably don't know how to draw a modern cartoon dog. So, I'm going to be teaching you guys today how to draw a cartoon dog on my channel here. So this will be the front of the cartoon book. Okay? And so let me get my drawing pencil. No. Here. Now let's put this eraser on here. I have this little Santa eraser, but I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a cartoon animal. So you want to locate the middle of your paper, okay? So let's find. And now we will so that's the middle right there. Ignore this top part right here. So draw kind of a cross in the middle of your paper here. And then make a little space right here. And right here is where the nose will be. And so we're going to kind of do it a little small. So do the top part right here. Yeah, that's a decent, shape. There. This isn't really centered, but there's. And then kind of do the nose however you want. I'm going to do this, but then shade it. So let's shade this. I'm using a 2B shading pencil from Art Skills. Feels very nice. These guys are not sponsored. They're not good enough to be sponsored. This video doesn't deserve them to be sponsored because, you know, if we were doing a Art Skills unboxing, sure they could be sponsored, but they aren't sponsored. Okay. And then take your eraser, special charcoal pencil eraser, and put along the outside of that. I recommend Art Skills crafting supplies because, I don't know, theirs just seems a lot better quality, a little bit cheaper than some of the other brands, not quality cheap, but, you know, cheaper price, and their stuff works better. Okay, let me. got the nose. Let's put this back. Kind of go along the outside here. Okay, there we go. Now, add 2 circle cheeks. You don't want to like have it right at the bottom here. So, never mind what I just said. So you want to have both of them. Okay, it's not that even, but you know, a circle. 2 circle cheeks. And then you want to have 2 big eyes. So like that was a very good oval. Okay. Okay, and then you want to do 2 little, well, here, before you do the eyes, you can come up with any expressions you want. Customize it your way. A few expressions you could make. I'm trying not to spend too much time on this because it's just the eyes. There's a lot more stuff we need to move on to. You can do like that would be scared or something. And then this would be mad. Well, a little bit more, you know, centered than that. But, so I would be mad. You guys can see enough here. And then, okay, and then we would opposite. We'd reverse that. And have it going the other way. That. then, so you have him like that, and then you could do that. That would be sad. Then the one before that would be angry, and then the one even before that would be like really surprised. I think we are going to be doing like happy as. So I don't list this, but just take it off my example here. I didn't show you the happy one up here because I'm going to be doing it right here. And then you want to have the circle kind of coming off half a centimeter. And I'm going to do a little spot around his eye. I'll name this guy Spot. He's a Dalmatian, I guess. And so maybe we'll do this. Let's just do this. So this is just, I don't know how to describe my eyes. The relaxed kind of eyes, or sad kind of eyes. And you want to make ear. The sad puppy his owner left in. And the bottom of the airplane, the luggage area. The dog's worst nightmare. Looks like a drooped rabbit. But who cares? So I want to work on the mouth. I now have a little tongue coming out. He's exhausted, I guess we should say. He's exhausted. Really hot inside. He's left inside a car. There. Hot. There. Really hot. course, the whiskers. We got that. So, small one, big one, small one. You want to get a dog? This is the one way key to get a dog. Man, okay. So there we go. A cartoon dog face, I guess. But then, let me see. Okay. Yeah, we'll save it for another time. There's how to make a cartoon dog easily. And so just remember the steps. Start with the nose, do the circle, cheeks, do the eyes, then the circle, the expression, ears, and then whiskers, and then mouth. And you can add extras if you want. I'll see you guys next time. Day 1 of drawing a dog, cartoon dog. And check out our other videos, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.